Differentiation formulas. We have the constant role, power role, product role, and the quotient role, as well as the chain role. So we'll take up an examples on how these formulas are being used in differentiation or finding the dy derivative, dy over dx derivative. So this one, find dy over dx of y equals to 1000. So solution here is that, solution dy over dx, right? For the differentiation of constant, the rules is that for constant d over dx of a constant equals to 0. So dy over dx of y equals to 1000. So y prime with dy over dx equals to 0 since 1000 is constant. For this one, derivative of function 3 pi plus 5 all over 10. So the same thing, constant dy over dx or equals to y prime equals to 0. This one, square root of 81. So your dy over dx, the same thing for the constant. So dy over dx equals to 0. So this one is for any constant. But for the power from this one belongs to power formula. So y equals to 2x cubed minus 1. The power formula is this one, d over dx of x to the power in dx equals to n x n minus 1. So this one equivalent to y prime equals to 2 times 3 2 times 3, then you have that one is x 3 minus 1 and derivative of 1 or constant equals to 0. Then simplify, you have this one 2x cubed 6x squared. So you have that one 6x squared minus 0 or simply 6x squared. So for this one, following the formula there, for the differentiation formula, this one belongs to constant and a function x, 6x. This one belongs to power formula. Also, this one belongs to power formula. Your solution here would be y prime is equals to 6 minus 2x plus 3x squared. Of course, this one and a constant and a variable is, this one is a constant. So this one is 2x, that one 2 minus 1. So this one is 1, so that one x1. So this one is 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this one is your dy over dx. Find y prime of y equals to 3x squared plus 2 times x minus 3. So solution is using the product rule. Product rule equals the first terms times derivative second term plus second term times derivative the first term. So solution would be this one. Y prime equals to 6x times x minus 3 plus 1 times 3x squared plus 2. Simplifying, that 1 becomes 6x squared minus 18 plus 3x squared plus 2, or simply equals to 9x squared. 9x squared minus 16 equals 0. So this one. Solution equals to 4x, y prime equal to 4x times 3x plus 1 plus 2x squared minus 3 times 3 equals to 12x squared plus 4x plus 6x squared minus 9 equals to 6x squared plus 12x squared plus 4x minus 9, or equals to 18x squared plus 4x minus 9. Solution. Y prime equals to 2 minus x times 3 minus 3x plus 9 times minus 1 over 2 minus x squared equals to 6 minus 3x minus 3x minus 9 over 2 minus x squared equals to 6 minus 3x plus 3x minus 9 over 2 minus x squared equals to 15 over 2 minus x squared. To this one, solution. Y prime equals to 3 minus x times 2 minus 2x plus 1 times minus 1 over 3 minus x squared equals to 6 minus 2x plus 2x plus 1 over 3 minus x squared equals to 6 minus 2x plus 2x plus 1 over 3 minus x squared, or equals to 7 over 3 minus x squared.